Ever wondered what's lurking in the shadows of your credit report? We all know credit scores are important. They dictate everything from loan rates to apartment approvals. But what if you need more than just a basic score? What if you need in-depth monitoring, alerts, and even identity theft protection? That's where premium credit monitoring services like those offered by Equifax come in. But here's the big question: how much do these extra layers of security actually cost? That's what we're diving into today. Now, before we get into the specifics of Equifax's pricing, let's quickly recap why credit monitoring is important in the first place. Your credit report is essentially a financial report card. It details your borrowing and repayment history. This information is used by lenders, landlords, and even potential employers to assess your creditworthiness. Errors on your report can seriously impact your ability to get loans, rent a home, or even land a job. That's why keeping a close eye on your credit is crucial. Free credit reports are available annually from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, through annualcreditreport.com. These reports are a great starting point, but they only provide a snapshot in time. They don't offer ongoing monitoring or alerts. This is where premium services step in. They provide continuous monitoring, alerting you to changes in your credit report, which can be an early warning sign of identity theft or errors. So, let's talk about Equifax. They offer several premium services, each with different features and price points. It's important to understand these differences to choose the right plan for your needs. One of their core offerings is Equifax Complete Premier. This plan offers a comprehensive suite of features, including daily credit report monitoring from all three major credit bureaus, alerts of key changes to your credit file, and credit scores and reports from Equifax. It also includes web scanning, which searches for your personal information on the dark web, and up to $1 million in identity theft insurance. This insurance can help cover expenses related to identity theft, such as legal fees and lost wages. Another option is Equifax Identity Restoration. This service focuses specifically on identity theft protection. It provides monitoring of your credit files, social security number, and other personal information. If you become a victim of identity theft, you'll have access to dedicated specialists who can help you restore your identity. It's important to note that Equifax frequently adjusts their offerings and pricing, so it's always best to check their official website for the most up-to-date information. However, we can discuss general price ranges to give you an idea of what to expect. Typically, these premium services are offered on a monthly subscription basis. Prices can vary depending on the specific plan and any promotional offers that may be available. Generally, you can expect to pay anywhere from around $10 to $30 per month for these types of services. The more comprehensive the plan, the higher the monthly cost. Now, you might be thinking, do I really need these premium services? That's a valid question. The answer depends on your individual circumstances. If you've been a victim of identity theft in the past, or if you're particularly concerned about it, then a premium service with robust identity theft protection features might be a worthwhile investment. Similarly, if you're planning to make a major purchase, like a house or a car, in the near future, closely monitoring your credit can be beneficial. However, if you're generally responsible with your credit and you regularly check your free annual credit reports, you might not need all the bells and whistles of a premium service. It's about weighing the cost against the potential benefits and determining what level of protection you're comfortable with. One important point to consider is that some credit card companies and financial institutions offer free credit monitoring services to their customers. Check with your current providers to see if you already have access to any of these features. You might already have some level of protection without even realizing it. Another thing to be aware of is the fine print. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of any service you sign up for, including cancellation policies and any limitations on coverage. Some services may have limitations on the amount of identity theft insurance they provide or specific types of fraud they cover. Now, let's bring it back to the cost. The cost of Equifax's premium services isn't just about the monthly fee. It's also about the value you receive in return. Are the features offered worth the price? That's a personal decision. Consider the following. How much peace of mind is it worth to you to know that your credit is being monitored and that you have assistance available if you become a victim of identity theft? How much would it cost you in time and money to resolve identity theft on your own? These are all factors to consider when evaluating the cost of these services. Remember, free options exist. Checking your free annual credit reports is a good starting point. However, if you want more proactive protection, premium services like those offered by Equifax can provide valuable peace of mind. But it's essential to do your research, compare different plans, and choose the one that best fits your individual needs and budget. Don't just jump at the first offer you see. It's also worth mentioning that there are other credit monitoring services available from other companies besides Equifax. Experian and TransUnion, the other two major credit bureaus, also offer their own premium services. It's a good idea to compare the features and pricing of different providers before making a decision. In summary, the cost of Equifax's premium services varies depending on the specific plan you choose. While they offer a range of features, from basic credit monitoring to comprehensive identity theft protection, it's crucial to weigh the costs against the benefits and decide what level of protection is right for you. Don't forget to explore free options and compare offerings from other providers before committing to a paid service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.